अशा पद्धतीनं लॉग इन झाल्याच्या नंतर आपण त्याच्यामध्ये कोर्स याच्यावरती जायचे. कोर्समध्ये 2024 मॉड्यूल 3 याच्यामध्ये जायचे.
Welcome to the module on the introduction to Yuktdhara portal, a geospatial planning portal for Mahatma Gandhi Narega. Click Start to begin your learning journey. Before beginning, refer to the navigation guide for helpful tips and a head start. The menu button allows us to view a list of topics before we dive into the Yuktdhara platform. Let's explore the 3 W's of Yuktdhara. What is the name of the GIS-based planning tool launched in 2024? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Why was Yuktdhara created? Root 1. Drag and drop the correct benefits of Yuktdhara into the designated box. Incorrect. Please try again. Incorrect. You did not select the correct response. The correct answers are.
अशा पद्धतीनं हे बरोबर आन्सर आहे ते तिथं म्हणजे स्क्रोल करून घ्यायचे आहेत.
Yuktdhara is a geospatial planning portal. In the familiarization stage, planners use. Planning involves identifying activities and area treatments. The approval stage ensures. In the finalization stage, approve. Now, it's time for your knowledge assessment. Click on. Drag and drop the 4 key sections of Yuktdhara into the correct order of execution. Well done. Yuktdhara follows a structured 4-section process, beginning with landscape familiarization, followed by planning, approval, and finalization. What key technology was integrated into MGNREGS in 2016? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Yuktdhara is not just a portal. It represents a vision. Let's dive deeper into the Yuktdhara portal. The Yuktdhara portal is designed so that the GP planner and block approver have separate logins. You can log into the portal using 2 logins. Once the Click Here to Start Planning button is clicked, the planning screen opens. The Yuktdhara portal offers multiple map views, including an administrative. The portal includes several useful tools to enhance planning accuracy. To move to the next planning stage, the Yuktdhara portal is not designed for which of the following users? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Now let us learn about coordinates and accuracy. Latitude and longitude. Imagine the Earth. To find a location, we need both latitude and longitude. Now that we've grasped the concept, the more decimal places we use in latitude and longitude, the more precise our location becomes. Which of the following statements best describes the relationship between decimal places in latitude or longitude and location precision? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Before we dive deeper into the Yuktdhara portal and its functionality, let's look at the flowchart, which depicts the Yuktdhara. GAW stands for Geospatially Analyzed. NRM activities. NRM stands for Natural. Click on each activity to learn more.
याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक ॲक्टिव्हिटीवरती आपल्याला क्लिक करायचं आहे. हे असं क्लिक करून घ्यायचं आहे. क्लिक केल्याच्या
Here,
नंतर
it's important
चारही
to clarify
झालेले आहेत.
that GAW, geographically
ऑटोमॅटिकली
analyzed
व्हिडिओ
keywords,
चालू
and
होईल.
non-GAW activities are primarily dependent on geographic location for planning. Incorrect. Please try again. That's correct. You selected the correct response. Latitude and longitude form the foundation of global navigation. Welcome to the planning platform. This is your one-stop shop for all things. Welcome back. Match the following. Drag and drop the correct options. Well done. Yuktdhara follows a structured four-section process, beginning with land. Discover your area through thematic maps with 4 helpful easy. For instance, if we click on the erosion map, let's explore how Yuktdhara helps. On the Yuktdhara groundwater prospects map, which areas indicate places where there is no groundwater available for.
हे अशा पद्धतीनं रेड हे आन्सर आपण इथं ड्रॉप करतोय.
That's correct. You selected the correct response. Now, let's delve into the land degradation. Next, let's Yuktdhara also provides a lineament map. Here we have wasteland maps from 2008 to 9 and 2000. What is a wasteland? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Let's explore the digital. Moving on from elevation, let's examine the drainage. Now, let's turn our attention to the slope layer. What is the role of digital elevation models, DEMS, in watershed analysis? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Yuktdhara's geotag data layer helps duplication. Yuktdhara provides access to. Yuktdhara provides a. Yuktdhara also allows you to upload your data in CSV. Drag the descriptions on the right and drop them next to the correct layer or feature on the left. That's correct. You selected the correct response. Now, we'll move on to the next crucial stage. Masterwork category is the broadest classification. In the previous slide, we have learned about. If you want to do bunding work for the community under public works, which of the following options would you select in the Yuktdhara? Incorrect. Please try again. That's correct. You select. After adding multiple activities, the platform will ask us to confirm. We need to take the print of this map to the Gram Sabha and in Yuktdhara platform, probable locations tool is used for. That's correct. You selected the correct response. Let's focus on an area where buns are. Once the locations are finalized, the GEO MGNREGS app allows you to capture project details and locate a CSV file containing locations and work names. Only after uploading the CSV file and draw tool for non-GAW works will be activated only after the GP resolution and CSV file upload is incorrect. Please try again. That's correct. You selected the correct response. After completing the activity identification and location specification, to prioritize, we need. What do the abbreviations GAW and non-GAW stand for? That's correct. You selected the correct response. This module has equipped you with the essential knowledge and skills to navigate and now, let's see the login for the block level approver. Once off. After the block level off, the block level officer logs in. Now, let's look at the NREGA software. In the finalization stage, approved plans are. How does a block level officer log into the Yuktdhara portal? That's correct. You selected the correct response. Let us now summarize the key steps involved in planning and implementing rural development works using the Yuktdhara portal. The process typically starts with the GP planner who logs in using their login credentials. A crucial first step is landscape familiarization, where the user explores the Gram Panchayat's characteristics. This involves utilizing various map layers. Users can access and overlay different types of boundaries. The platform also offers thematic maps, such as those showing land use, erosion, ground. This course on Yuktdhara covers 5 key modules.
अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला सर्टिफिकेट दिसेल. म्हणजे आपण कोर्स पूर्ण केल्याच्या नंतर इथं एंटर युअर नेमच्या तिथं क्लिक करायचं आहे आणि आपलं जे नाव आहे ते त्याच्यामध्ये टाकून आपल्याला सर्टिफिकेट डाउनलोड करून घ्यायचं आहे. याच्यामध्ये पूर्ण नाव टाकल्याच्या नंतर ते दिसून येत नसल्यामुळं आपण इन शॉर्ट मध्ये नाव टाकतोय. अशा पद्धतीने आपला कोर्स पूर्ण झालेला आहे आणि कोर्स पूर्ण झाल्याच्या नंतर ऑटोमॅटिकली यादीला आपलं नाव येऊन जाईल.